Have some youth out there touch out them man every minute and go on like so them don't want to work. Yeah? Well, big up everybody, the staff, the crew, 100% pure talent. So me I say, this song is all about you them sit down at daytime, don't want to look no work. Them see the people in my past I got work and I stretch out them on a bigger thing and a bigger grand. You remember the rhythm? Just run it right away, we not wait. But so, you don't know the thing go. Y'all some people get up out the road and go on like them don't want to work. Eh? They know you achieve. Eh? Do some of the life, man. Alright then, me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time me say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the hype on me. Sit down on your yard and watch me daily, yeah. Me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time me say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the hype on me. You know want to look no work, you just come lazy. Lazy, you lazy, you lazy. You know want work, it seems like you're crazy. Every minute you the post na expensive clothes. When you check your pocket, them empty. Let me tell you this, move from beside me. Cause every minute you want to come style me. I mean I want to hear you borrow story. If you're not work, or the hell you want to pay me. Sure, me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the hype on me. Sit down on your yard and watch me daily, yeah. Me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the hype on me. You know want to look no work, you just come lazy. I pay lazy in spring coat, now your blood. You know want to take this style for your foot full of mud. You want me go out there and then you come and talk. Say bring back some when time me forward, yeah. Me want to know if you're handicapped. Cause I you see him once you know the chop. You know want look no work, you a ball but you broke like you take the people them for you idiot. So, me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the hype on me. Sit down on your yard and watch me daily, yeah. Me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me you just a beg me money. Sit down on your yard with the hype on me. You know want to look no work, you just come lazy. Me tell us I go look some work and I want to win. You can't go with over that you can't do it. But when people are past you a beg them a mask. Pick up your face when you don't get it. You know how hard people work for it. You come and stretch out your hand and me afraid of it. Me a talk from my heart, everything when you talk it really smell just like rubbish. So, me want to know if money grew up on me. Every time I say me get this up.
Hey, if you think this artist is so excited right here, right now here on 100% Talent, as I'm saying now, as the show go on, it's getting better and better right now. And we started with our first judges right now, Lady Tash.
Money in the group and what we tell them say, money.
Pattan. Alright, straight then. Alright, General. Why is the artist excited?
Yeah, yo, was Pattan. Yo, was, yeah. Song. Powerful, I like how the rhythm where you choose. You know, this is an authentic dancehall type of rhythm and it's a new rhythm too, you know. My friend them dep on a rhythm, you see me? So, I like the fact that you're authentic, you know what I mean? And everything composed and them thing there, you see me? But me, personally, some of your words them, I couldn't hear. Cause your DJ fast and the rhythm, you know, it fast and it a move fast. But me understand the concept where you're dealing same way. Cause I can put 1 and 3 together and know, say, that you say. Yo, but the me so you don't know it's a solid 8 for my general. Hold them.
Yes, Kisha, you have your bouncing. You have your excited over there.
As Million would say, excited. You know, this is so fun. Everything that you say is just so true. Because some people don't understand how hard you work for what you have. It is like, say, a water and it wants it more and more. I loved it. I have to give it a 10. Hey.
Thank you for that, Kisha. Las Vegas. Hey, Nero Malisha. What the vibe?
Alright, it's a solid 8 for me still. One thing make you never get the 10. The performance, movement on the stage, the use of stage, the use of your digital devices around you, just capturing the moment. You understand? So that is it for me.
Alright, that performance was an excited one. 100% Talent Jamaica, right?